How to fix a frozen iPhone. If your iPhone is unresponsive and frozen, then you can try these following steps. The first thing to do is to restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power switch and slide the power button off at the top of the screen. Reboot your system, and once you are done rebooting your system, the next thing to do is to check for software updates. Ensure that you have the latest iOS version for your iPhone. To do that, tap Open Settings app and from the Settings menu scroll down and tap on General. Tap the Software Update button and then check for available software updates. If your iPhone is up to date, then you may go ahead and skip the step. But if there are available updates for your iOS device, simply tap on the Install button and download latest software update for your iOS. Once you are done updating your iPhone, you may fix your iPhone frozen issue. But if the problem still persists, then the next thing to do is delete problematic apps on your iPhone. Go ahead and find the application that you no longer use, or find the application that you've recently downloaded before the problem started showing up. Press and hold the application you no longer use and tap on Remove App, tap on Delete App twice. And make sure to repeat this step for all of the apps that you no longer use on your iPhone. After you perform this step, you might be able to fix your issue. If it still doesn't work, then go to Settings app again and from the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. Scroll all the way down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap the Reset button on the next page and click on Reset all settings. Enter your mobile device's passcode and you'll be able to reset all settings from your iPhone. Remember that this won't erase your data but will reset all the settings to default. Once you do that, you might be able to fix your iPhone frozen issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try in order to fix a frozen iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another video from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.